Hey guys, Logan at Enduro Engineering, here to show you how to install the ignition wire guard on the KTM GasGas and Husqvarna 250 and 350 4-strokes. Okay, so first step to install the ignition wire guard is just remove these two bolts on the ignition cover. You can just simply set these aside. You'll use provided bolts to install the guard. Okay, so just line the ignition wire guard up with those two bolts. Take the provided ones in the kit. Go ahead and start those both by hand. It's only going to go on one way. Obviously the Enduro Engineering logo is going to be facing so you can read it correctly. Just take an 8mm, go ahead and tighten both of these back down. Okay, that's how you install the ignition wire guard on the 250 and 350 4-strokes. If you have any questions on installing, it's pretty simple install, but if you do, give us a call at 517-393-2421 or visit enduroeng.com.